Hi, this is Annoo and welcome back to my channel. I am so glad you could join me today for a video I haven't done in a while. I had done one similar one, I think a year or two ago. I will post the link right here. You know crochet is my passion by now, right? And I crochet every single day of my life. In the morning, in the evening, when I travel, this is my work. So I have the tendency to find little tricks that make my crochet life easier, and I wanted to share it with you. So today I am going to share 5 of my favorite hacks that I found in the last few months, and hopefully it will make your crochet life easier too. If you are not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting? Subscribe. It is totally free. You click on that little button that says subscribe right below the screen right there, and you hit that little bell if you want to be notified every time I post something new. Come here and join me on my social media too. I would love for you to do that, and don't hesitate to hit the like button just to let me know that I'm going in the right direction, that I'm doing things that you like. Don't hesitate also to comment down below and let me know what videos, what tutorial you would like me to make in the close future. And voila, that's about it. So if you are interested in knowing what are my favorite hacks in the past few months, and keep on watching. In the meantime, happy crochet. Bye. My first hack is amazing. It is letting you join yarn without having those annoying little strangling yarn going all around and having to sew them in. So you are going to place your yarn like so. Those are the 2 yarn we are going to join, a gray one and a pink one. And you're going to take the one at the bottom and make a loop over with the pink over the gray and going underneath the pink, making that little loop right there. Then you're going to take that end yarn and pass it through that loop. And you are going to pull it really tight. Now the gray yarn is on top of the pink yarn. Take the gray yarn and do the same thing on the other side, making a loop going underneath the pink yarn, grabbing your gray yarn and passing it through that loop. And you are going to pull on the end yarn tight, tight, tight. Then you're going to leave both of the end yarn to be and pull on the yarn itself both ways as tight as you can. Don't be scared of pulling. You need to really pull. It's going to slide together, the 2 knots, and then you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut the ends as close as you can to the knot. Here is one, now the pink one, and voila. Once you are done cutting this, you can continue to crochet and it will be seamless. Hack number 2 is my favorite when I travel with my crochet, and all of a sudden I'm in the plane and then we land and I have to put it away and I'm in the middle and I don't want it to unravel. So I always have a little safety pin. This is one especially for crochet, but any safety pin will do. And I pass it through my crochet loop, the last stitch loop that I just worked on. Just like so, and it keeps my work secure. Then I can fold it, put it in my suitcase, put it in my bag. Nothing will happen. It will not unravel. Nice, right? Hack number 3. Oh, I love this one. So I love candles, and whenever my candle is done burning, I wash it. I buy those glass beads at Michael's, and that is how I store my crochet hook. I think it's super practical, and at the same time, I love the way it looks. It's hard to keep organized, but that's a good trick, right? That was hack number 3. I always try to stay organized, and I find those transparent, I think they're from the brand Muji, but I'm not sure. I will try to link it down below. There are boxes that are usually used for pens and pencils, and you can stack them up. I actually use it to put my crochets in, and I love it because it's light, it is small, I can put my crochets in, see what is inside because it's see-through, stack them up because they're stackable, and take whatever I want with me in my travel bag when I travel. Love it. It is the perfect organizing tool for me. The last hack for today is so cute. So I like to make pom-poms, small ones, big ones, it doesn't matter. I find it sometimes daunting. You know, you have a pom-pom maker, you have to have your cardboard. So I found a really easy way to make a pom-pom. You just take your ball of yarn and you tie it in the middle really securely, but that's the key. It needs to be really tight. So secure it with knots and double knots and really pull it, all right? And then you're going to take big scissors and you're going to cut the side right here, like so. Don't be afraid, just cut it all the way in a straight line if you can. I would say about 2 to 3 inches from the middle for this big skein of yarn. Here you go, and then you're going to do the same on the other side, repeating about the same distance from the middle with your scissors. Voila! You need big scissors for this one because it's a big skein of yarn. And cut the little stragglers. And voila, you have a big mop pom-pom. I absolutely love it. You can even add 2 little googly eyes and make it a little monster for a kid. I absolutely love this hack. I think it's so cute and so easy. No fuss, a little bit of mess. There you go. You can even it out if you want. I like it like that, all messy. I think it's really cute. And voila! I hope you have enjoyed these 5 hacks. I love them all. Each and every one of them changed my life, and I hope it will change your crochet life as well. And I will see you next time for a tutorial this time. In the meantime, happy crochet. Mwah! I love you. Bye! A little back. Yes, I'm in the middle. Why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little. That's not true. I'm losing my mind just a lot. Nanu. Hi, this is Annoo and welcome back to my channel. I am so glad you could join me today for a tutorial. It's not a tutorial. Down my ear canal, there's a place called Vertigo. Nausea, vomiting, oh, the world is swirling. It's my new song. You know it. Oh my God. I can only wink in my left eye. What about you? Can you wink both ways? I mean, really curious. I need to know. It's urgent. It's of the utmost importance. Can you wink both ways? Let me know.